welcome to my unboxing channel. So I just unboxed this. This is pretty cool. The box fits perfectly. It's like the right dimensions measured. That's a cool box. This one is the Muzan Kibutsuji. Muzan Kibutsuji. And this one is Nezuko Kamado. And then this one, I don't know what this one is, so I'm gonna be extra careful. It says it's a Nezuko figurine, but we'll see what it is. Cut this open. Oh shit! I broke the table. I cut through the table, which is pretty bad. Okay, let's see what this is. Nezuko figurine. Oh wow, the box is nicely packaged. Look, it's nicely packaged. It's like well packaged. That's so cool. The perfect size box. It's like they measured the size of the box perfectly, which is crazy. Well, what we have in here is a PICKACHU Nezuko. PICKACHU Nezuko. I have all four of them now. I have him, PICKACHU Nezuko, I have this guy, and I have that one too. That's cool how they package it in this mini box. The other one has a different box. Let me show you real quick. So the other two box is different than this one. It has a plastic box around it. It's bigger. This one too. And then the Tanjiro Pikachu one. It also came in one of those boxes, but I opened it already. And this is the Nezuko box. So let's open up this Nezuko box and see how they package it. See how they package the Nezuko box. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. So they just put it inside bubble wrap. They wrap it up in bubble. And then what the heck is this? Wow, it's nice. I like the bubble wrap. And then they cover her face up. So let's open this up. What is that? Oh, the thing for the leg. So the stickers for the leg. So that she can stand. So I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, I think it goes right here. So that's for the feet. So let's put the next one here. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, it just goes in like this. And then you can peel the sticker off and then you can stick it on the table. So this is the PICKACHU Nezuko. And we have the PICKACHU Tanjiro. So they fit perfectly together. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna play the theme song here. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to watch more videos and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay.